Welcome to another Essentials video in PowerPoint Masterclass. In this video, we're going to look at the different format you can save your PowerPoint presentation and some of the ways you can export your project. Now we have this Instruments of the Orchestra project, and if we want to save it, we can go to File and go to Save As, and I'm going to save a copy on the desktop. I'm going to call it a sample presentation and save it. I'm going to close now, and I'll go to the sample presentation. When you open the sample presentation, and as expected, it will open the presentation you were working on so that you can continue working on it, or you can press F5 to start the presentation. But sometimes when we want to use those presentations or maybe send them to somebody, we don't want them to open in this view. We want them just to start the slideshow right away. And if this is what you want, you can go to Save As, and instead of choosing a PowerPoint presentation, which is the default, you can click on this little triangle here and go all the way to the PowerPoint slideshow or PowerPoint show. With this PowerPoint show, the file you save will open as a slideshow immediately. It will not open in the normal slide view. Now that we've opened the different formats we can save our file in, let's take a look at some of the important ones. We have the PowerPoint presentation. Of course, that's the default. That's the most important one. We have PowerPoint 97 to 2003 in case you want to send this file to somebody who has an older version of PowerPoint, and I mean very old. Or you might want to save that as a PDF. You might want to save that as a template if you want to use that later for other projects. Or you might save that as a PowerPoint show. You might also save that as an MP3 video, a WMV video, or you can save the slides as images if you want. For us now, we'll go back to PowerPoint show and we'll save our presentation. And now when we go to the desktop, we can see that we have two versions, this version that is a slideshow and this version that is a PowerPoint presentation. Now remember, when we opened the PowerPoint presentation, we had the normal view inside PowerPoint. But now if we double click on the slideshow, you can see that we don't see the normal view inside PowerPoint, but the slideshow starts immediately. So this might be the file you want to have on your desktop when you want to start presenting to somebody. You don't want to take them inside the PowerPoint program, then to press F5. You want to start the slideshow right away. I'll go back to the presentation now, and I'll go back to File. We can also click Share to share our presentation with specific people in our organization. We can email it as an attachment, as a PDF, or we can send it as a PDF to review, or we can also present online. If you want to present online, the presentation will be uploaded online temporarily, and you will get a link that you can share with the people you want to present to. All you need is a valid username and password, and once you share this link with other people, you can give your presentation to them live online. Or you can also choose Export. We can export the presentation as a PDF file, or we can create a video out of this presentation, and we can also package the presentation for CD. And the word CD is a remnant of the olden days when we use CDs more often, but it still stands for packaging the presentation in one place. The idea is, if you have a lot of videos and a lot of links to other files in your presentation, and you want to make sure that all these assets are packed into one folder, this is the place where you can do it. You can also create handouts to share with your students and your audience. You can choose the layout of your handouts and then click OK. And also here you can change the file type from presentation to 97 to 2003 presentation, or all the others that we just talked about. So these are the different ways you can save, export, or share your presentation in PowerPoint. That is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in other videos.